Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, I want to introduce myself. My name is Dori Erlan NORI from the Electrical Engineering Study Program Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto. And this is my friend, name is
HARYANTO.
Me and my friend will explain how to use solder.
The tools and material used are solder, phenol, attractor, cable, jack audio, and electrical socket. Then the steps for using a soldering iron are: first, turn on the soldering iron before use. Then, prepare the phenol for soldering. Before starting the soldering process, remember to always be careful when soldering. Second, wait for the soldering iron to heat up. Third, clean the soldering tip first with solder cleaner. Four, prepare the cable, jack, phenol, and solder along with phenol to be soldered. Fifth, peel the skin of the cable until the cable peels off. After hot soldering, phenol is attached to the hot soldering tip. Finally, connect the cable jack to the chopper cable that has been peeled off. Then, cable ready to use.
This is how to use solder to connect audio cable. Notice, if you want to remove the solder, use a
Tractor.
The trick is to reheat the solder that has hardened with solder, then suck the tin with a attractor. Thank you.